Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making connectivity deliberate. Ensure your iPhone and TV share the same Wi-Fi network so packets route directly. Once done, enable AirPlay or screen mirroring on the TV, turn on permissions so the TV will accept your device. Next, open the content you want to show, then swipe to the control center on your iPhone. Tap Screen Mirroring now. This is the first actionable step. Doing these in sequence prevents delays and avoids switching networks mid-process, which breaks the link. After tapping your TV in screen mirroring, watch for the connection indicator. It may take a few seconds. If the TV displays an AirPlay code, type it into your iPhone to authenticate. This prevents accidental connections. Once connected, configure display, rotate the phone for portrait versus landscape, set volume on the iPhone and fine-tune the TV remote for audio output. If the picture looks off, use the TV aspect ratio or display zoom to scale. These middle steps ensure a stable, correctly framed mirror. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. That cleanly releases the AirPlay session. If you encounter problems, try simple fixes. Restart both devices, confirm they connect to the same router and Wi-Fi band, and disable any VPN or guest network isolation that blocks local streaming. Make sure iOS and your TV firmware are up to date, because compatibility issues often cause failures. If an AirPlay code keeps repeating, recheck TV AirPlay settings and forget the network on the iPhone, then reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.